Hi, hello. I'm RBA Kahala from CIT03601P. After renaming all the operating system in my VirtualBox, I just modified my IP address each of my operating system to the required IP address that Sir gave to us. For Windows Server 2019 is 192.168.7.1 here. 192.168.7.1. And for my Windows Client 01 2010 is 192.168.7.10, which is here. 192.168.7.10. And for my Windows Client 02 2007 is 192.168.7.11 here. 192.168.7.11. Alright. After that, after modifying my IP address, I connect these three operating systems to server to client 01 and to client 02 and vice versa. After following the demo that I watched from my professor, and this happened. In Windows Server 2019, my Windows 10 is connected to this server 192.168.7.10 and my Windows 7 is connected from my server 192.168.7.11. And from my Windows 10, my server Windows 2019 is connected from this server 2010 192.168.7.1 and my Windows 7 902 192.168.7.11. And from my Windows 7, and from my Windows 7, the Windows Server 2019 is connected from this operating system 192.168.7.1 and Windows 10 is already connected here 192.168.7.10. My surname, hostname Kahala-S01 for server 2019 and Kahala-C01 for Windows 10 and Kahala-C02 for Windows 7. That's all. Thank you.